Liam chases the seagulls on an overcast day in Venice Beach with a marine layer standing in our way of the sun. Raisins? I think yaki raisins. I think that's poo-poos. Okay, go chase them. Go chase them. Oh no, they're all flying away. Go run. Go get them. They're flying. What's Scarlett doing?
Scarlett. Baba.
Hey, little lady.
She's got seashells on her feet.
What are you doing? Oh,
Seashells.
Look at that. Seashells.
On her feet.
On your feet.
Where's Liam going?
Mom was working her photography magic.
Oh, seashells on your feet. Oh, he's going to the water.
Oh,
That water's dirty.
that water's dirty. You've got to go rescue the boy. Say bye-bye, Scarlett.